Hey guys, forgive my cold. Dadfpv here, and I don't know if you guys have this problem, but I sometimes run into this issue where these little MOSFETs come off. So I thought I would do maybe a combination solder tutorial and at the same time show you guys how to solder one of these little bastards back on. And I've got my donor board here, and the easiest way to get these things off without damaging them is to just take a screwdriver, put it in between them, just pop, and they'll come right off. Okay? And the only reason I say this is because these things are expensive. And if this is your only problem, there's a good chance this might fix it. And if you're wondering how I got that up there on the screwdriver, just put a little bit, just wet it a little bit, and just touch it with your finger, and a little bit of good old saliva. Get it where you want it, get it lined up. And they will most probably likely give you fits, even if you've done it more than once. And at this point, like, everybody gets intimidated by soldering. You just have to remember, don't overheat your board. You know what I mean? Just don't overheat your board. Like, something I like to do, I like to get a touch of solder on my tip when I can. Like I said, you'll have to forgive me, I've got a cold. And what you're basically trying to do is just get the smallest dab of solder on there. Yes, it's finite. Yes, it sucks. But if you take your time, you can do it. And that's, I think, why everybody gets intimidated. They say, "Dad, how do you do that?" Yeah, maybe they don't say that. But if they did, I would tell them, I take my time, and I go over it and over it and over it until it's what I want. Now, it might not always be so pretty. Here we go. 2 MOSFETs soldered down. Let's get that a little better in. I think those will work. Well, here's the moment of truth. I'm going to grab a battery and we'll see if it'll work. Okay, I'm back. I've got one of my older, slightly puffed 3-cell 1300 milliamp batteries, and I'm gonna see whether we get some oop. Let's say we got her back together, because I wasn't getting those lights before. So I hope this helps, guys. Like I said, it don't look the best, but the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. And hey, the guys at the factory did these three, look how crooked they are. Here, let me back it up. See how crooked they are? So, look at 1, 2, and 3. I ain't sure that one ain't loose. Maybe I'll hit it with some solder too. But just basically, all you have to remember is not to get into your little diodes. But remember, they all take solder, but you don't want to heat up the, the wrong parts. Basically, so the 3 tips I would give you is just practice, practice, and practice, and use old parts. So, if this wouldn't have come on, it was getting chucked. So, but now, it might be a good board. So I'm going to solder some motor to it, and motors, and see what happens. Hey, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. I hope this helped anybody out.